The CSC e-governance services has officially opened the application window for 236 new government roles as Aadhaar supervisors and operators for the 2026 cycle. We are going to walk step by step through this process, starting from verifying your exact eligibility requirements all the way to securing your final submitted application document. First, check the baseline requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, hold a 10th or 12th certificate, an ITI qualification, or a polytechnic diploma. General education alone won't get you through the screening. You must possess a specialized Aadhaar supervisor or operator certification to be eligible for these roles. By organizing these specific digital documents before you even open your web browser, you avoid session timeouts and ensure a smooth application process. The portal opens April 2, 2026, sweeping toward a hard deadline on May 20. The 236 vacancies are distributed across 16 states. Karnataka leads with 78 positions, while states like Goa and Rajasthan have only a single opening, making the odds of success steeper. By matching your location against this state-specific vacancy volume, you can accurately gauge the competition level you will face before investing time into the application. When you are ready to apply, ignore third-party job boards. Using unofficial links exposes you to phishing scams and data theft. Open a clean browser window and type the exact official URL, csc.gov.in/ask, directly into the address bar to access the true application portal. Once on the homepage, click the specific link for the Aadhaar Supervisor and Operator application. Since this is your first time applying for this cycle, you need to click the Registration for New Users option to begin building your profile. Enter your basic contact details into the prompt to generate your initial login credentials. Creating these official credentials establishes a secure session. If your computer crashes or your internet drops, your progress is saved and easily retrievable. Now, log back into the portal using your new credentials to access the main application form. You will start by systematically filling out the standard personal information and educational history fields. Next is the most critical section of the form, your Aadhaar certification details. The system uses strict validation protocols here. The certification number you type into the online field must match the number on your physical certificate exactly, character for character. If there is a single typo, the system will flag the mismatch and automatically reject your application during the verification phase. A clerical error will automatically cost you the job. Precision in your data entry is just as necessary as holding the qualification itself. Once your data is entered, navigate to the tab labeled Upload Documents within your application dashboard. You need to upload specific digital files here: your government ID, your educational certificates, and your Aadhaar operator certificate. Look for this visual confirmation. The system displays a green check mark next to each file name, proving the uploads are not corrupted. Finally, transition to the payment gateway. The required application fee varies depending on your candidate category. Until every document is uploaded perfectly and the payment gateway clears your transaction, your application remains invisible to the recruitment agency. Step 1 to finishing the process is executing the Final Submission action. This permanently locks your data into the government system. The system will immediately generate a final confirmation screen displaying your unique application number. When you finally see that unique application number on screen, stop immediately. Do not close your web browser window just yet. Locate the Print Application button and click it to generate a physical record. Saving this final PDF provides concrete proof of your submission. This is your essential physical insurance policy as you securely wait for the next phase of the 2026 recruitment cycle.